Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Ubabsi and Usamke. They are in the living room area and they are folding clothes. Now Usamke chased Ubabsi out of the house, you guys, because she feels like Ubabsi is a bit too slow and Uvelepi is going to be using Babsi to her advantage. So anyway, Ubabsi yazincengela laphana ukuthi ma ngiyacela cela ubuye la ekhaya ngizohlala nawe. Usamkezela ngebhadi ngeke kwenzeke lokho. Ubabsi is like ma angifuni uyohlala nomalume, like akuhlaleki laphayana ngiyacela ma, phela ikhaya lami naleli ma. Usamkeza like okwamanje nginenkinga, ngifuna leli gundwane Uvelephi aphume aphele lana. As she's speaking like that, Uvelephi walks in, she's like, hey, ngiyathemba ukuthi anikhulumi ngami ngoba mina-ke angiyindawo, I'm here to stay. And then she just walks off like that. Ubabsi looks at her mother, she's like, uzokwenzakalani-ke manje ma? Usamke then says, yeah, yazi wena angazi ukuthi noba unesiphiwo sokungidina, ungumuntu wokugcina nje ongangibuza ngalokho. Yonke le nonsense eyenzeka lana kungenxa yakho Babsi. Yonke le nonsense is because of you. So ngiyathemba ukuthi ujabulile-ke manje. I'm sure you are happy ngoba umoshekile. Uright kodwa wena ekhanda Babsi. Ubabsi that manje ngizobuya nini la ekhaya ma? And then Usamke's like, hey, Uvelephi akangazi. I will make her regret the day she was born. Akangazi le ngane. And that scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, we see Uphakamani. He comes to the office, the Sibalkhulu office, and guys, he walks right past reception. I'm just like, Uphakamani yazibona yazi. So anyway, the PA, Amanda, she's like, excuse me, sir, ngiyaxolisa. Uyenzile appointment? And then Uphakamani looks at her and he's like, yeah, appointment iyani? The PA then says ukuthi awukwazi ukungena lana ngaphakathi ungayenzile i-appointment. Uphakamani then says awungitshele sis, mangibona mina ubona iqaba. And then Amanda says cha angisho kanjalo umthetho wala ekhaya. Uphakamani then says ukuthi angiyiqondise lento sis, ubona iqaba yini umuntu ongafundile mawubona mina. The PA then says cha awukona kanjalo umthetho wala ekhaya doesn't allow you ukuthi ungene nje without any appointment. So as the PA is trying to speak to Uphakamani, uGcina walks in and uGcina za kulungile Amanda, ngizoyilungisa yonke lento, ungaya staff room uMr Dlamini ke lona. And then Amanda then says ngiyaxolisa Mr Dlamini, and she walks off. Uqina is now left with Uphakamani and she's like ngiyaxolisa ngalokho ukhona engakusiza ngakho. Uphakamani then says emaningi kangaka amadoda emhlabeni uvusi pho. Uqina zathi angizwanga. Uphakamani then says yazi umuntu ofana nawe fanana thandane nendoda hayi umfana. Uqina then says uvusi yindoda nje. Uphakamani then says indoda kuphi nendawo. Uqina then says usuka la usuka khona uzokhuluma nonsense lana usitshela ukuthi ungubani vele wena. And then Uphakamani says kulungile ke unendoda kodwa ulambile wena. Uqina like emi. Uphakamani says ulambile nginamanga yini. Yo guys, as Uphakamani is saying that uvusi walks in. Uvusi walks in and he's like, oh hey Phakamani. Uphakamani then says ndoda yamandoda. Uvusi then says kuhamba kanjani? Uphakamani then says hayi ngiyaphila bengizofuna umfowenu uKwenzo. Uvusi like, oh uKwenzo akekho emsebenzini namhlanje empelweni he's just taken a few days off to breathe. Uphakamani responds and then says ukuthi wenze kahle nami bengizokwenza njalo ngempela awucabange nje umuntu that you called ngobaba omkhulu sonke lesi sikhathi kanti ungubaba wakho. Uvusi and uGcina look at one another. Uvusi is like ima ukhuluma ngani? Uphakamani says ubaba noKwenzo. Uvusi then says ufuna ungitshela ukuthi ubaba wakho. And then Uphakamani says yeah uKwenzo indodana kaCaphelani. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl, we see Usibongile and uKwenzo. They are at the beach. uKwenzo, shame guys, he's still inconsolable. He is not okay. So Usibongile is like Sithandwa Sam. Yazi bengicabanga ukuthi instead of spending another day like ebeach, mhlambe like zama ukucabanga nje like isicelo sika baba uQaphelani. Think about it. Nesicelo sokuthi akwenzele imbeleko. It's not such a bad idea. ngiyasholo nje sithanda sami, angizami to interfere in your family affairs. Kodwa like if he really is your biological father, I think you should get like imbeleko done. Like ucabanga kanjani? Ukwenza just Sibongile. Owami ubaba unjengaye. Anginandaba ukuthi uqaphelani uzongenzela imbeleko ezingakanani. Owami ubaba unjengaye Dlamini. And the scene just ends like that, you guys. Next scene we see uNomfundo. She is at her house. She is eating. Unjengaye walks in. So Unjengaye, when he walks in, is like, ha, Mfumfu, yini ngifike ngesikhathi esirong. uNomfundo then says, no, ungahlala phansi ngikuthonela into yokuphuza or to eat. Unjengaye then says ukuthi hayi ngeke into yokuphuza angeke ingene kwamanje. Into engiyidingayo njengamanje ukuthi ngikubambe and he starts holding her. You can see uNomfundo, she's irritable, she's like Sibalikhulu, no. Akusona isikhathi nje salokho njengamanje. Uphetheni wakho belana wadelela waqeda wahamba. Unjengaye is like, ha wena usuka uphetheni ke manje. uNomfundo then says angizixaki ngaye, ngisuthi yonke lento nawe everything. Unjengaye is like, whoa, awume kancane, usho ukuthini? uNomfundo goes on to say, kuba mnandi kwaDlamini bese mokubhidlika izinto. Unjengaye lapho uNomfundo kodwa uNomfundo sathi ngilinde ngeqede. Ufika lana njengaye uhlukumeze omunye umuntu wesifazane bese uzobhlidela la mina. Unjengaye lapho hayi Nomfundo akukho kanjalo. uNomfundo is like ngikubhandishe ngikududuze ngize ngiphelele nangamandla. Emva kwalokho what do? Ubuyela kulo muntu that's the same person that's hurting you. Unjengaye is like, Nomfundo, mina when I said I wanted you to be my wife, bengiqinisile. Yabona yonke lento okhalaza ngayo, it can immediately stop if wena ungavuma isicelo sami to be inkosikazi wami wesibili. Come on Nomfundo. Nomfundo just looks at him and then she's like, okay, kulungile. Unjengaye is like, kulungile. uNomfundo is like, kulungile Sibalikhulu. Unjengaye is like, yeah, but and then he hugs her. He's so excited, you guys. I am quite surprised that uNomfundo said yes to this. I never saw it coming. I don't know which interest of uNomfundo. What is it? Unjengaye, I mean, like, how is uNomfundo and uPhetheni going to coexist in the same house? Because the last time we checked, Unjengaye wanted uPhetheni to make space for uNomfundo to come and stay in the Dlamini mansion. Anyway, yeah, guys, the last scene of this episode, it continues with uLokuzana, uKwenzo, and uSibongile. They're still walking on the beach, but while they're walking on the beach, uKapelani approaches them. So Kapelani approaches them and he's like, Kwenzo. And then uKwenzo's like, yini? uKwenzo goes on to say ukuthi usithunye uKapelani ukuthi uzomenzela umsebenzi wakho ongcolile la. Hamba umtshela leyanja ukuthi akasiyena ubaba wami mina. uSibongile zathi bengisacela ukuthi nginishiye mina. uKwenzo zathi awuyindawo wena. Yo guys, uPhakamani then says ukuthi angithunyanga ubaba lana, ngifuna ukukhuluma nawe njengomfowenu. uKwenzo like ye ungangibizi ngaleyo nto. uPhakamani then says kulungile kodwa uKapelani ubaba wakho mvumelo ukuthi akwenzele imbeleko. uKwenzo zathi ngobani? uPhakamani then says ngoba uyagula. Then uKwenzo like ye lalela wena uPhakamani, awuyena umfowethu futhi leyanja uQaphelani akuyena ubaba wami yezwa. uSibongile zakwenza awukahle. uKwenzo like yini Sibongile yini? Ngeke ngitshele yini umfana ukuthi ngiphile kanjani impilo yani. uPhakamani zakubiza ubaba ngenja. Ubiza mina ngomfana. uKwenzo that ngibiza wena ngomfana vele, and then he starts pushing uPhakamani. uPhakamani then punches uKwenzo, guys. They start fighting. uSibongile ngalana, she's like, Kwenzo, Phakamani cela umyeke. Next thing there are security guards coming to hold them. uPhakamani is like, uyislima wena, yazi ngizama ukusiza wena vezandlebe. uKwenzo zakubiza bani ngemvezandlebe. Yo guys, it was such a mess. The security guards are like, lalelani lana, this is not a place to fight. If you guys continue fighting, we're going to call the police. Nionane Selin. And then the episode just ends like that. Guys, I appreciate the fact that Ukwenzo is still referring to Unjengaye as his biological father, because I don't see that changing. But this anger that's just going on, like it's warranted, but at the same time, Ukapelani doesn't have much time in his hands. And hey, the situation, guys, it's bad. Anyway, let's park it right there because that's where the episode ends. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.